Okay, I thought your name was Jason at first.
Jason?
All right. You almost made me drop the camera, Cartier.
I need you to drop it.
Why you being so mean? I'm gonna tell your mommy you're being mean. But look at the man in the house.
The man in the house.
Yeah. So this your house, right?
That's right. That's right.
Oh yeah, tell the viewers that. I'm just asking.
This is the Villes. This is Thaddeus Griffin's house.
Oh well, never mind.
This is his house.
Well, all right.
No.
Being mean.
You want some beef?
My mom and dad not here yet. No, they're gonna do it. They're gonna get it.
Janai, what you want to say? Grr, grr, grr. Uh-oh. Jay, you don't want to be on TV, huh?
I don't.
Okay. Oh, well. I don't care what that is, but hey. I do care what that is. Oh, well. I'm telling you, you're on TV. People gonna laugh at you. They're gonna go ha ha ha. Oh well. Oh, cut it out. Oh, get your mean self. All right.
I don't want to be on camera.
Oh, she ain't doing nothing. All right. I was about to go off camera, but I'm about to go off air, I meant to say. Oh well.